गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे
छात्र की ऊर्जा का सम्मेलन एक प्रगतिशील समाज के निर्माण की ओर ले जाता है। शिक्षक छात्र को अंधेरे से उजाले में ले जाने का एक साधन है। शिक्षक को सम्मान देने के लिए हम प्रतिवर्ष 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। शिक्षक हर किसी छात्र के जीवन में एक प्रेरणादायक स्रोत होता है। ऐसे ही प्रेरणादायक स्रोत है हमारी अमृतानंदमयी माता, जिन्हें हम अम्मा के नाम से भी पुकारते हैं। अम्मा ज्ञान की मूर्ति है। उन्होंने अपना सारा जीवन मानवता के प्रति समर्पित कर दिया है। अम्मा द्वारा दी गई शिक्षा हमारे मस्तिष्क को शुद्ध कर देती है एवं हमारे अंदर प्रेम, आत्मविश्वास और करुणा की भावना को विकसित कर देती है। सही अर्थ में एक शिक्षक पूरे विश्व का कल्याण चाहता है और विश्व का कल्याण ही अम्मा का एकमात्र उद्देश्य है। ऐसे महान गुरु और शिक्षक के कमल रूपी चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओवर टू यू श्रीनाथ।
Om Namah Shivaya. I am Srinath Dilip of class 5C. I feel honored as I have been given the opportunity to speak before all of you on this day when we all have gathered here to thank and praise our teachers for their dedication and hard work. Teachers are the pillars of our society. Since 1962, India has been celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September. Do you know how Teachers' Day originated? We celebrate this day on the auspicious occasion of the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Born in the year 1888 in a middle-class Telugu Brahmin family in Madras, he contributed in various roles starting from a philosopher to the President of India. But people remember him for his contribution as a teacher and for dedicating his entire life for improving education. When his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday, he gave a wonderful reply. Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be a privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. And that's how Teachers' Day was born. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. We are blessed to have Sadguru Mata Amritanandamayi Devi as our divine mentor and guiding force. Gautam Buddha once said, when one finds the true Guru, one conquers the whole world. A Guru removes our ignorance and directs us to lead the right path. We can gather knowledge from many sources, but this knowledge is just information if it doesn't transform into understanding. And without a Guru, this is impossible. Finally, I would like to thank all the teachers who made us realize that failure is a stepping stone to success and that we should never give up in our lives. Let's hear the harmonious Guru Stotram from grade 4 children.
शरीरं सुरूपं यथा वा कलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनन्मेरुतुल्यं मनश्चैन लग्नं गुरौरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् शरीरं सुरूपं यथा वा कलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनन्मेरुतुल्यं मनश्चैन लग्नं गुरौरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् कलत्रं धनं पुत्रपौत्रादि सर्वं गृहं बान्धवा सर्वमेतद्विजातं मनश्चैन लग्नं गुरौरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् कलत्रं धनं पुत्रपौत्रादि सर्वं गृहं बान्धवा सर्वमेतत् विजातं मनश्चैन लग्नं गुरौरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्। धन्यवादः।
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो मिलाए। Om Namah Shivaya. I am Shriya Bhandare from class 5B. Today I will speak on Guru in life. All of us have felt the necessity of a Guru in our lives one time or the other. None of us are capable to do everything on our own. Someone who is more knowledgeable, intelligent and successful in life will definitely make a difference in our lives too. Guru is a Sanskrit word which means destroyer of darkness. But the question is, which darkness? In all aspects of life, we need gurus who act as our mentors to help us learn new things or to show us the right path. Guru is the one who removes the ignorance of disorder from our lives and teaches us how to live a blissful life. Our parents are our first guru, our teachers are our second guru and are our second parents. Both teach us everything from our childhood and make us aware what is right and what is wrong and create better human beings in us. We can't imagine a beautiful future without the guidance of our gurus. So let's express gratitude at God's feet for providing blessings of all the gurus in our life. Thank you and Om Namah Shivaya.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, हमें हमारी उंगली उसकी चल तो हमारा कमाना। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो हम कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Of every classroom and the soul of our school. You all are the mind behind this message that learning is school. Thank you for your warmth and caring style and for the way you make everybody smile. English, math, science, Hindi, Sanskrit or art, whatever the subject you teach with the heart. We want you all to know the impact that you have made. Because of you all, we will soon move up a grade. Today we want to thank you for being the teachers that you are. With all your support, we sure will go far. You all are such wonderful teachers and we can't thank you enough for all that you have done in our books. You are number one. A very happy Teachers Day to you and thank you.
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जो अखंड है, सकल ब्रह्मांड में समाया है, चर अचल में तरंगित है, उस प्रभु के तत्व रूप को जो मेरे भीतर प्रकट कर मुझे साक्षात दर्शन करा दे, उन गुरु को मेरा शत शत नमन है। मैं सांची कक्षा 5वीं ब की छात्रा हूँ। आज गुरु शिष्य परंपरा पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करूंगी। भारतीय संस्कृति में गुरु शिष्य परंपरा अति प्राचीन है। भारत में सदा सद्गुरु की महिमा गाई जाती है। महाभारत के गुरु द्रोणाचार्य एवं एकलव्य के प्रसंग से तो हम सब परिचित हैं। एकलव्य ने गुरु के आदेश पर एक भी क्षण गवाए बिना अपने हाथ का अंगूठा गुरु द्रोणाचार्य जी को सौंप दिया था। आज के समय में शिक्षक और विद्यार्थी सोशल साइट्स के माध्यम से एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, किंतु इस करीबी में कभी कभी नकारात्मक प्रभाव भी देखने को मिलते हैं। विद्यार्थी और शिक्षकों का रिश्ता वास्तव में तो बहुत ही अमूल्य है, बस ज़रूरत है इस रिश्ते को सही दिशा में आगे बढ़ाने की। धन्यवाद।
The story of Dronacharya and Arjun. Arjun was a beloved student of Dronacharya. One day, Dronacharya was bathing in a river. Suddenly, a crocodile caught him by his leg. Taking this as an opportunity of test, Dronacharya cried for help. No one could help him, but Arjun immediately grabbed his bow and shot an arrow on crocodile. Dronacharya's leg was released. Seeing Arjuna's readiness and devotion, Dronacharya blessed him to be the greatest archer in the world. It is rightly said, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwarah, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
गीतसाराय गीतकत्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि दूधगुल्फाय गन्धभट्टाय गुरुजयव्रताय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेश्वराय भालचन्द्राय श्रीशैलेशाय धीमहि।
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन। लोग मुझे एक लोकप्रिय नेता के रूप में जानते हैं क्योंकि मैं भारत का दूसरा राष्ट्रपति हूँ, लेकिन मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी होती है जब मैं शिक्षक के रूप में पहचाना जाता हूँ।
If you want to shine like a sun, first you have to burn like a sun. These are the words of our former President of India and the Missile Man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
So very happy Teacher Day to all. We are missing school very much. Hope to see you all in person very soon. Thank you and a smile.
Eklavya was a young boy living deep inside the forest. His aim in life was to become the finest archer in the world. He wanted to become a student of Guru Dronacharya. When he asked about it, he was refused due to lowest status of his birth. In spite this, Eklavya created a statue of Guru Dronacharya and practiced archery every day in front of it. Soon he became a skilled archer. Knowing this, Guru Dronacharya called Eklavya and asked him to donate his right thumb as Guru Dakshina without hesitation. Eklavya cut off his right thumb and gave it as Guru Dakshina to Guru Dronacharya. But after that
day, he was unable to become best archer in the world. But even today, he is praised for the Guru Dakshina that he gave and is also remembered as a devoted student. The moral of the story is always love and respect your teacher.
प्राचीन काल में धौम्य नामक स्थान पर एक ऋषि रहते थे। वो अपने छात्रों को शिक्षा प्रदान करते थे। वो यह शिक्षा प्रदान करते थे कि जितनी भी बड़ी मुसीबत हो हमें उसका डट कर सामना करना चाहिए। यह बात उनके प्रिय छात्र अरुणी ने अपने दिमाग में बैठा ली थी। बारिश के दिनों में बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही थी। गुरुजी ने अरुणी से कहा कि जाओ और एक बार खेतों में देख लो, कहीं मेड़ टूट ना गई हो। जब अरुणी खेतों में पहुंचा, उसने देखा मेड़ टूट गई थी और फसल भी खराब हो रही थी। जल्दी से वो मिट्टी को काटकर मेड़ को बांधने लगा। वो बांधता गया और वो बार बार असफल होता गया। तभी उसे गुरुजी की बात याद आई कि जितनी भी बड़ी मुसीबत हो हमें उसका डट कर सामना करना चाहिए। उसे एक उपाय सूझा। वो मेड़ की जगह पर लेट गया। लेटे लेटे उसे नींद आ गई। गुरुजी को उसकी चिंता होने लगी क्योंकि वो पूरी रात आश्रम नहीं लौटा था। तो वो अपने छात्रों के साथ अरुणी को खेतों में ढूंढने चले गए। वहाँ वो चकित हो गए कि टीचर, I love you, and I know you love me too, and I know you love me too. Yes,
Angle is larger than 180 but less than 360. We call it as reflex angle. Think of a pizza missing a slice. When the arm makes one full rotation, it is called as complete angle. It measures exactly 360 degrees. It is like the arm on the clock when it is 3:15. Today now we have learned angles. Class is over. Thank you and Om Namah Shivaya.
Good job, children, my lovely children. Sit stand, sit stand, sit stand, sit stand, sit stand. Hands up, hands down, hands up, hands up. Roll your hands, clap your hands. Next we will add 10 split. 3 on the band and 2 on the fingers. 3, 4, 5. Answer is the 58. You are understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you. Bye. See, today I am going to recite a poem on the very auspicious occasion of Teacher's Day. The title of my poem is Teacher of Future Creator. School is like a temple where teachers are immortal and we are like an empty bottle. We always try to fill this bottle, but our teacher says it's still
खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है झंडे बिखर
Om Namah Shivaya to our most loving, lively and hard-working teachers. We, the students of grade 5, would like to express our gratitude from the bottom of our hearts for the immense support and love you shower upon us. Today is Teachers' Day, and on this special day, we wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, we have a bouquet of messages for our teachers. Hope you like their short introductions that we have created for you.
हम हैप्पी टीचर्स डे फ्रॉम अनन्या चौहान, जिनके जीवन में गुरु है सर्वस्व, धर्म और कर्म रखती है बैलेंस, जिनका ढंग बहुत ही है सरल, वह है हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैम। हिंदी, अंग्रेजी, संस्कृत हो या बांग्ला, सभी भाषाओं से है उन्हें प्यार। कुछ नया करने के लिए हमेशा रहती हैं वो तैयार। छात्र हो या टीचर, सबकी परेशानी कर देती है दूर, वह है हमारी मैम झूमर। हर कार्य को करने के लिए हमें प्रोत्साहित करती है, क्या सही क्या गलत मार्गदर्शन करती है। अपनी टीम वर्क को जो बढ़ावा देती है, अपनी टीम के साथ जो हमेशा खड़ी रहती है, वो है तृप्ति मैम। स्कूल के कल्चरल प्रोग्राम की रूपरेखा तैयार करती है, खेल, संगीत और नृत्य के साथ लेकर चलती है। इरादा होता है उनका हमेशा पक्का, वह है हमारी मैम मलिका।
Happy Teachers Day. She is quick, she is spontaneous. In every work, she tries to be first. She has keen observation and calculation. Shilpa ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, Shilpa ma'am. You are the one who help us sail through. When we come, you guide us with the words to use. We love the way you care for us. Amardeep ma'am. The keyboard and the mouse goes together. So do your smiling face and polite words. Your teaching is fab. We love to be in the lab with you. Seema Kalkoti ma'am.
Formulation and calculation. She has a solution to every problem. She is our Pooja Agarwal ma'am. She is caring, she is confident, she plays with numbers in her mind to come up with a unique solution of a kind. Happy Teachers Day, Dimple ma'am. She is innocent, she is sweet, she teaches us how to treat. When we are not ready to read, guess who is she? She is our Ruchira ma'am.
Gold is his canvas and crayons are his friends. हर रंगों से भरे हमारे घर, ऐसे हैं हमारे रत्नाकर सर। His artistic skills are so pure that he can bring life to a folklore. He is a dear Bola sir. Music in her heart and her mind, along with a book in her hand. She is one who can make you fall in love with music and take you to the fairyland. She is a dear Shutapa ma'am.
Plans meticulously to introduce basic grammatical skills. She polishes our spoken skills by encouraging us continuously. She is our Kirti ma'am. Happy Teachers Day ma'am. She enthralls us by enchanting divine shlokas, polite and diligent by nature, reviving the value of Indian traditional culture. Yes, who is this wonderful teacher? Rashmi ma'am. She has a vibrant and jolly personality with immense love and care for all. She is carrying forward the legacy of devotion and spirituality by teaching chanting of mantras to all. Our loving teacher Archana ma'am.
A happy Teachers' Day to you. We always feel loved and cared for in your presence. Your classroom is a home away from home. A happy Teachers' Day to you, Shiba ma'am. We didn't know about matter till you told us that matter really matters. You took us to the magical journey of science by clearing all the doubts in our minds. Saroj ma'am. You are multi-talented. Children love your pleasant smile and your teaching style. You are the fairy amongst the little angels. A happy Teachers' Day to you, our dear Ankita ma'am. जिनका नाम ही उम्मीद जगा देता है, अंधेरे में रोशनी की झलक दिखा देता है, पढ़ाती हैं हमें हिंदी भाषा, वे हैं हमारी मैम आशा।
Happy Teachers' Day to all of the teachers. You live in the heart of your children, and when you put on your dancing shoes, your energy is infectious. We love you, Shubrana. Happy Teachers' Day. You are the best and always leave behind the rest when it comes to perfection in your language skill set. You are our dearest Geeta ma'am. We wish you a happy Teachers' Day. So humble and calm in nature, kids respect her and go running to seek her for her blessings when they see her. She is our dance guru, Varsha ma'am.
You create a magic when you speak to teach ABC. We love to hear you, so we are always near you. Our dear Deepa ma'am, your pause and elegance make you stand apart. You came to class with your alphabet card. Your facial expression are a sufficient part of a teaching art. Happy Teachers' Day to you, Meenakshi Dua ma'am. हंसी उनकी निराली है, वह लंबे बालों वाली है, दिल खुश हो जाता है देखकर उनका अपनापन, कोई और नहीं है वह है हमारी मैम सिमरन।
As fast as you can in a race. He is none other than our dear Lalit sir. He is the apple of our eye and the one who always hits the bull's eye, our dear Deepak sir. Her flexibility has no match, and she is the one whose smile you can easily catch. Guess who is she? Yes, she is our yoga queen, Shanti ma'am.
Is her passion. She changes her teaching style just like a fashion. She is our Veeni ma'am. Previously thought of integrating art and maths now, but we are seeing this in Seema Malhotra ma'am for many years. Happy Teachers' Day to you, ma'am. Knowing the unknown has been made easy by you, with a sparkle in your eyes and a very pretty smile, you always go an extra mile for your student. She is our previous teacher, Meenakshi Bharadwaj ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
ज्ञान का प्रकाश फैलाने को है जो तत्पर, अपने नाम का दिखता है उनमें असर, वह है हमारे विभाकर सर। मधुरता और सहजता का है संगम, अम्मा की आराधना में लगा है उनका मन। इस विद्यालय की सबसे पुरानी साथी है, वह हमारी मैम आरती है। हमेशा सबकी सहायता को रहती है तैयार, मधुर है मिलनसार है उनका व्यवहार, अपने विषय पर पूरा है उनका अधिकार, पूरी हो उनकी अभिलाषा, वह है हमारी मैम नताशा। हमें प्लस माइनस सिखाती है, खेल खिलाकर मैथ्स को इजी बनाती है, सब जगह की जानकारी रखती है, इंडिया हो या भूटान, वह है हमारी मैम पूजा चौहान। A very happy Teachers' Day to you all. We hope you like this little gesture of ours